we set this up is I cut 2 of these, some bars, just so you've got a bar. And I usually start by laying out the tape for however length I want it, and then I'll put on skewers as we go down, and then another piece on top. And I ate some of the jelly babies last night, so we ran out, so we've had to do another one. Note to self for Saturday that I could probably double up and use 8 bags of jelly babies. Well, what's good about this, it's the jelly baby wave machine, so give it a good flick, wave travels along. Again, you can show how the energy changes, but the particles just oscillate about their mean equilibrium positions. You show transverse wave, the oscillation is perpendicular to the motion. I mean, if you really want to go to town on it, what you can do is put more jelly babies on and take them off. Take half the jelly babies off in one half, if that makes sense, and see how the speed of the wave changes. You can put a large piece of blue tack here and you'll get reflected waves at the discontinuity. And another good thing, it's a bit hard to show this one because it's a bit too big, but if you've got a shorter one, what often happens, again, more for A level, is when you get the reflected wave, now it will settle into a standing wave pattern with your nodes and your antinodes. So there's your, let's send our wave, it reflects, comes back, meets itself. Now we've got a standing wave with your nodes and antinodes. So that's quite good for showing standing waves. When you're done, okay, we know you don't eat in labs obviously, but the students can always come and eat the jelly babies. What I tried to do was try to put them in certain colours and try and get only nodes to be at certain colours, and okay, trying to be too complicated. But I really like this one. There's really good videos on the National STEM website of this, and some more ideas of what you can do with it. And it's just so simple to make. It's just so simple to make, and the students love it. You said that your students made it, didn't they?
And I got one to make it, yeah.
Yeah, it's really good.
When you made it, did you do
I didn't make
the whole?
it, they did.
Well, when they made it,
Yeah.
did they do the whole thing?
They did the whole thing, and I let them work out where they had to put the skewers as well. That was part of the exercise for them.
Because I did it with duct tape, and each kid had this much duct tape, and they made a mini one, and then we tried sticking them together, and it didn't work so well because we couldn't stick them.
Right.
We need
I'll just let them get on with it.
Yeah, do that next time.
Fantastic. Right. So.